Want to stop wasting time on repetitive Shopify tasks and let automation do the heavy lifting? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Zapier with Shopify, step by step, so you can streamline your workflow and get more done without extra effort. First, open Zapier.com. In the top right corner, click Log In. The quickest way is to sign in with your Google account. Just a couple of clicks and you're in. Once you land on the Zapier homepage, you're in the command center for all your automations. To build your first automation, click the Create button and then choose Zaps. This brings you into Zapier's Workflow Builder, where everything happens. You always start with a trigger. In the search bar, type Shopify and select it from the list. A trigger is the event that kicks everything off. For this walkthrough, choose New Order as the trigger event. That means every time someone places an order in Shopify, your automation starts running. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Shopify account. Sign in when prompted and follow the steps. It's quick and it only needs to be done once. After connecting, Zapier may run a test to make sure everything's linked correctly. Testing might feel repetitive, but it's what ensures your automation won't break later. Now it's time to set the action, the result of that trigger. For this example, we'll connect Google Sheets. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the Action app. Then pick the event you want to happen when a new Shopify order comes in. Create Spreadsheet Row is a popular choice. This sends each order's details directly into a sheet automatically. Just like before, you'll need to connect your Google account if you haven't already. Once connected, Zapier will let you choose which spreadsheet and worksheet to use, and you can map fields like customer name, order ID, or total amount. Before going live, run a test. Zapier will simulate the process using a sample Shopify order and try adding a row to your selected sheet. If everything looks correct, you're good to go. The final step is the one most people forget. Hit publish. Without that, nothing will actually run. Once published, your Zap is active and will fire automatically every time a new order comes through, and that's it. You've just linked Shopify with Google Sheets using Zapier. From now on, your spreadsheet updates itself in real time, no copying or pasting, no manual tracking. This same method works with hundreds of other apps too, from email marketing tools to project management platforms. If this saved you time or sparked an idea, stick around for more automation guides and Shopify shortcuts. Thanks for watching and happy automating.